If your air conditioner's condenser unit wiring is burnt or damaged, fixing it fast can save you a ton of headaches and cash. Alright, so first thing you want to do is turn off all power to the condenser unit. Safety first, seriously. Next, check the wiring harness for any obvious signs of burning or fraying. Sometimes it's just a small section that needs attention. If you spot damage, you can either repair the wiring harness by cutting out the bad part and splicing in new wire with connectors, or replace the whole harness if it looks rough all over. Use wire with the same gauge and type so it handles the current safely. When you're reconnecting everything, make sure all connections are tight and insulated with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to avoid shorts. Also, inspect the contactor and capacitor nearby because wiring issues can cause those to fail too. After repairs, test the unit by turning power back on and listening for normal operation sounds. No buzzing or clicking means you're probably good. If you're not comfortable handling electrical work, it's totally okay to call a pro. Messing with electrical wiring can get dangerous fast. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser unit wiring repairs is ignoring damaged insulation, which leads to shorts and more damage. Fix this by always re-insulating wires properly. Another common issue is using the wrong wire gauge, which can cause overheating. Always match the original wire specifications for safety. Lastly, not shutting off power before working on the unit is a major no-no. Always double-check breakers or disconnect switches to avoid shocks or worse. Fixing these mistakes means safer repairs and a longer-lasting AC system. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff on repairs like condenser wiring. It also gives contractors a way to find solid work and build their reputation in the community.